Welcome to another episode of Less Than 20 Lines of Code. In this particular video, we are going to build a simple guessing game where the user has to guess a randomly generated number in Python. So let's go ahead and start the game. So first I need, since I'm doing random numbers, I'm going to import random. Next, I am going to create a function called as guessing game. This is my function. Let's call this here. Make sure it doesn't go above 20 lines of code. So first, number to guess. Now what is the number? Should I just give it or randomly generate it? I guess randomly generated. What's the use of hard coding it? From 1 to 100. Now I'll say attempts. How many attempts did it take for the user to guess it? 0. Let's start with 0. While true, I am going to say give me a guess, which is in a guess variable. I'm going to say int input, which I'm going to guess get input from the user. Guess a number between 1 and 100. Perfect. And I'm going to say attempts plus equal to incremented every time 1. If guess is less than number to guess, I am going to say print too low. And next I'll say else if guess is greater than number to guess, then in this case I'll say print too high. So these are my hints to the user, asking them to guess the right number the next time. Else I'll say print f. If it's too low, if it's not too low, it's too not high, that means congratulations, you have guessed it in, I'll say attempts. Perfect. So that kind of takes care of it. 18 lines of code. Still need one more break. So that's 19 lines of code. So that kind of is the code that we need. So let's go ahead and cd dash top clear and create an environment python -m v environment, let's say random, and source random slash bin slash activate, and I'm gonna say python game.py. There is a problem here, probably you already guessed it. I have forgotten the colon. Perfect. Let's try again. Let's clear it out and try again. It says guess a number between 1 and 100. Let's say 50. Too high, so that means I have to go a little low. So let's say 25. Too low, so I have to go above. Now that is say 40. Too high, so it's between 25 and 40. So I am gonna go somewhere in between. I'll say 30, 35. How about 33? Too high, still high, so 30. Too high, so it's between 25 and 30. Oh, sorry, 25 and 30, which means 27. Too low. How about 28? Too low means 29. Congratulations, you have guessed it in 9 attempts. You try it out and let me know how many attempts does it take for you to guess it. Add it in the comments and let me know if you had any other issues also in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.